how to hide Instagram from your home screen on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove the app from sight without uninstalling it. First, long press the Instagram icon from your home screen and tap Remove from Home Screen. From there, the app will disappear from your home screen but will still be fully installed. You can still access it anytime by swiping up to open your app drawer. If you want to hide it from the app drawer as well, here's how. From your home screen, pinch inward to open the home screen settings. After that, tap Home Screen Settings, then look for Hide Apps and tap on it. At this point, find Instagram in the list, select it, and confirm to hide it. Once done, Instagram will no longer appear anywhere on your home screen or app drawer. To access it, just search for it using the search bar at the top of your screen. Finally, to unhide it anytime, go back to the same Hide Apps menu, deselect Instagram, and it will reappear in your app drawer as normal. That's how you hide Instagram from your home screen on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.